Welcome back everybody to the Ratchet gardening channel. No, just playing. Welcome back to my channel, Country Hustle. Quick update on my garden. Just put this in the ground. This time I labeled them this time. I'm gonna label bok choy. Some bok choy I had in the I grew in my closet. A lot of stuff I planted, man, I don't know what it is. Like this. Looks good, looks like it's ready to pick. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if that's bok choy or not. I know this is some green onions. Everybody know that if you've been watching my channel. But all this grass just came from nowhere. In fact, I need to. What is this? It's not broccoli. I had this broccoli planted last season. Or what it is. So I got quite a few things going on in this bed right here. I didn't turn it on to be picking grass. Just a little quick view. I need to get these plum trees out this pot. I'm going to separate them. There's about 2 or 3 in there. But check this. That's my peach tree. Got peaches on it. I just wrapped it up in this bird for something starting to eat on it. See? Something's been eating on it. Looks pretty nice. But I'm gonna show you what else I planted real quick. Alright. I think this is a grape or something. I'm glad it started to bloom because I was gonna throw it away. Well, a flower or whatever you call it. Because it was dried up. Grapes looking good. But there's some leftover bok choy. I put in there. And my strawberries, I put it in these containers, man. They didn't do anything. That was a waste of $10. Put them in there, see what they gonna do. And over here, cucumbers. I had them in my closet. I brought them out. Cucumbers. All of these cucumbers. I don't know they vine. Well, I know they vine, so I'll probably just run a trellis right across each row, about 5 or 6 rows. And that is some cabbage. That's cabbage I got planted right there. Here's my tomatoes. Something's coming there eating them. At least it leave me something, huh? They won't start to regrow. It's the ones on the outer row it's getting. That's cool. Mint, put the mint going crazy. More peppers. Man, everything looking okay. Man, I don't know what that is. What happened? Well, I know this is cantaloupe. Check this. That's cantaloupe. This is my kale. It's been raining, so I really haven't had a chance to get over here and clean up yet. But just a quick update. Thanks for watching.